Hey everyone, in this video we will show you how to get Roblox Executor Mobile. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll again and tap on Background App Refresh. Now tap on Background App Refresh at the top of the screen and select Wi-Fi and cellular data. This allows apps and tools to stay active in the background, which is important for the setup to work smoothly. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Battery. Here, turn low power mode off. If this mode is on, your phone might pause background tasks to save battery, which can stop the tool from working correctly. Once your settings are adjusted, open your web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, type ittweaked.net and go to the site. After the page loads, scroll down until you find Delta Executor. Tap on it and follow the steps shown on the screen. The instructions are usually simple. Just make sure to complete each one carefully. After that, the tool should be ready to use on your mobile device and you'll be able to explore new options in Roblox right from your phone. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.